Hey guys, would you like to make $100 per day? If so, you better stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day uploading Google images for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into the method, I'm doing another free money giveaway. I'm trying to get to 6,000 subscribers now, but I want to get there by December 31st. I know that's a couple of days away. We might not get there, but hey, I want to give it a try. So guys, help me get there by sharing this video and help me get as many views as I can for this video and on this channel so we can get to 6,000 by December 31st. And all you have to do to be eligible for the free money giveaway is click on the link in the description and in the comments below where it says click this link to become eligible for the free money giveaway. As soon as you click that link, you'll become eligible. And only other thing you have to do is be the first commenter on every video all the way until I receive 6,000 subscribers. And make sure you type Grind Family. That's all you have to do. So help a brother get there. This is not my channel. This is you guys' channel. So let's go. Let's get to 6,000 by December 31st. All right, guys. Without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you how this method works. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys. I'm on Google. So I'm going to do a Google search. And I'm going to do a Google search for cats. So let me type that in. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because this is where we're going to get the images from. We're going to make money off these images. So I'm going to click on images right here. And when you come here, you don't want to just download all these images because you don't want to get any copyright issues because people probably own these pictures or whatnot. So you don't want to get any copyright issues. So what you need to do is go to Tools and go to Usage Rights and then click on Creative Commons License. And now you can use these images right here to make money from these images. So now what you're going to do is you're going to have to get 5 to 10 images, and I'm going to take you to this site where you're going to make some money every time somebody get these images. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay guys, I'm at the site right now, and the name of this site is Click a Snap. So on this site, you're going to be able to make money from the pictures that you upload to this site. Now it says here the world's largest free use paid per view image sharing platform. Sign up and get paid for your content. Okay guys, so what you're going to do is go right here after you sign up. Click on Marketplace. And here are the featured categories. So to make the most money as you can, especially $100 per day, you want to go ahead and get images from Google for all these categories. And maybe put 5 to 10 images for each category. That's going to give you a good chance to make at least $100 a day. Now, you probably want to know how much you get paid every time somebody view an image or use an image. It'll be 15 cents. Now, I know that's kind of low, but guys, it's going to add up, because if you get hundreds and hundreds of people click on your content, that 15 cents is going to add up. And it can happen real fast on a daily basis. So, see, now check it out. They have some of them that are, a little less, some of them are, but the average is like 15 cents. Now, see, here's some free downloads right here they got on here. And reason why I picked cats, because animals is always popular on this site, and cats. A lot of people like cats. Those cats videos where people like to use cat images for everything, because got a lot of cat lovers out there. So guys, that's really it. That's the whole method. That's all you have to do. You don't have to do any advertising. You don't have to pay for anything at all. This is a free method. You just go to Google, make sure you click on Creative Commons, get the images, come here, upload the images, and start getting paid. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. That's all I ask. Just 100 likes is going to help this video and help this channel if I can get 100 likes on this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. It's a real easy method, but if you have any questions you don't understand, I'm here to help you understand how this method works. So leave a question down in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help people to make money online and become their own boss. We're going into 2021, and we want to go into 2021 being a boss, being financially free. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's get there. We need to become financially free in 2021. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one other thing, if you guys want to get a shout out, please leave a creative comment, and the one with the best creative comment, I'll give them a shout out, and I'll start doing that almost every video if you want to get a shout out. So leave that in the comments below, just a creative comment. Okay guys, that's it. I'm done with this video. Thanks again. Please do this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.